Welcome to Aurion Investments tutorial. In this guide, we'll walk you through registration, depositing funds, and withdrawing earnings. For register, all you need is click in the link below, click the sign up button and fill the fields with your name, choose an username, set your password and confirm, set your email address and confirm, click the CAPTCHA, agree with terms and conditions and click create account. To make a deposit, just click on deposit tab, select the plan according to your desired amount, scroll down and select payment system of your preference. Then write the amount to invest and click confirm deposit. Another window will be displayed where you can directly copy the wallet address and the amount to make it easier. After the deposit is done, it will be credited automatically. To make a withdraw, click the withdraw tab and verify you have at least the minimum amount to withdraw in your account balance, which is 5 USDT. These are the minimum handling fees for each network. Once you check, go to payment system and select the one where you have the available balance, click it. Write the amount you want to withdraw. The comment is optional and personal for you. Click in request withdrawal. A second screen will be displayed. Confirm everything is correct and click confirm withdrawal. It will be moved to pending withdrawals and in a maximum time of 24 hours it will be credited in your wallet. As you can see, this withdrawal was approved and sent to the wallet of the investor, fast and secure. Remember, the future is yours.